After about 3 minutes, this is the water behavior, everybody. I know all you guys already know cash vehicles are protected. So you see it. You see the beads. You know, we love the beads down here in New Orleans, so. And we get to see what that Gorilla graphene tie dressing doing. Look at that. Look at those ties, man. Look at those ties, man. That stuff is doing work. Shout out to Gorilla, man. Sorry that they went under, man. Definitely. Well, I'm not sorry. I just, I didn't want that to happen. However, Matt doing this thing. Shout out to Matt Goldie doing this thing. Got some stuff coming, so y'all stay tuned. Be on the lookout for what Mr. Matt have coming. And y'all make sure y'all tap in with Mr. Matt. Let him know y'all still supporting him. And let him know your boy Cash sent you, And you got to say that. Cash sent me. You get anything from any of these companies, you got to say Cash sent me. And that's going to add to whatever you already getting. So if you're getting 10 service and you say Cash sent me, you're going to get a 20 service. So who wouldn't want a 20 service when the scale is only to 10? But that's enough rambling. Let Cash go on and rinse the vehicle off and then come back with you all. Let's groove, baby. Man, this shit is so thick, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all in after I finish with the whole vehicle. This shit is thick and it smells real good, y'all. I mean, everything's starting to smell good nowadays too, but this smell real good. All right, Nick. Y'all got y'all something different. I like this. About to come bring y'all in, camera. Everything out of this foam gun. Super empty, guys. Oh, we have it, guys. Suds oozing. Call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, but this is crazy. Here's my number. Call me maybe. Yes, after about 3 minutes, the foam is thick in some areas, and you can see that it's running certain other areas, but it's still here. And y'all know my truck is very, very, very aggressive with fighting. This thing fight everything. Not today. Not today. So let Cash go on and put a mitt to this, and I'll come back to you all once I finish with the mitt. Be right back. Washing it with some Incredisuds. I'm gonna come in. I shook it up already with some quick beads. Cash is doing another quick bead. This time I'm doing the actual video for you all. So here we go. Let's see. Oh, I'm downwind. Gotta get close to wind blowing. Missed it on. And they say you gotta let it sit for like 30 seconds. You did. High pressure. So as y'all can see what's going on, you missed on like so. So Cash is about to go and do this, and I'll get right back with y'all. Be right back. And this it after I sprayed it. I'm giving it its seconds, 30 seconds to a minute or longer. It doesn't matter. Just have to come through and get it in. So I'm about to be done with my 30 seconds. So Cash is about to go on and rinse it off. Hold on, guys. You know I have to at least rinse the hood off with you guys watching so you can see what's going on. And look at that. Makes more beads. You can see the product actually when you know, rinsing it. You can see like the white color for the product with the pressure. Like right there. That's just the product coming off with the pressure from the pressure washer. That's why they say you rinse it off with some pressure water so you can actually get everything off. But Cash about to go ahead and finish this up and get back with you all at the drying segment. Be right back. YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It's your boy Cash the Cool Dad, Cartoon Cash, and y'all are y'all. I say thank y'all for enjoying this video. Shout out to the truck. But thank y'all for watching and enjoying this video. And if y'all did enjoy it like I know y'all should have, I should see some thumbs up. I should see some comments. And y'all should be sharing this so I could get new subscribers, new fans, new households, and new family. So look, y'all know what y'all need to be doing. Subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. It's your boy Cash the Cool Dad saying thank y'all and we out. Peace.